Dude, don't let him steal your clit.
I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair crack.
Spike it.
Do I double up? Is this tough?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Oh yeah. Devin needed that. Oh!
Yeah, stay in your fucking lane, pal.
Take it off.
Hey, suck my ball.
Do it.
Wait, can you say it again?
Close though.
You must busted ass. There you go. What the hell?
Is that a tough picture?
Yeah. Do a trick, man.
What did I say? What did I say? Pretty fucking high.
What is got a boo boo? The Allen key?
It's the key, bro. This is the key to success right here. The Allen key is how you make your blunt nice.
These are tips and tricks.
Damn, I already just fucked.
Alright, hit one on the cum board now.
Looks more like a shit stain nowadays.
No, it's still the cum board. Hey! There you go, Pook. Hey, shawty.
These things suck.
Come on, keep it going.
There's wind everywhere. Making sure that shit lights nice. Or burns nice. Oh yeah, that's real good, dude. I really tore it. We outside. I want to make sure that cherry's really going so it burns even. See how it's already burning even though? Get that first hit. I rolled it right. Get that first hit, bro. Let's see it. Oh, that shit is kind of burning nice. It was burning nice when I rolled. Do you want to hit the blunt? Oh, it don't even taste like blunt. It tastes like weed. Zoinks. I'm hot. You're hot? Well, yeah, you're just sweating.
Are you calling him attractive?
Low-key, he is kind of bad. Yeah. We're growing weed. Freddy's Pokemon. Dude, not bad. Show me the ants. Look, I've been.
I saw them, bro. They've been there.
I can fix 6. I just need Scotch tape. Give him food normally, but isn't he a big cat?
Yeah,
He
actually is like his. I don't know. He's like big. Fucking like a wild cat damn near. Bro.
He is a wild cat, dude. He keeps running up trees and climbing.
I know, but
trees.
he's like long as thick as fuck, dude.
Yeah.
Like my cat is.
Oh! No!
Let's go! You know what I'm saying? Just happened, bro. No. Those are not pliers.
It burns. No smoking, it burns.
That's what we were using pliers like that in the picture. That's just not needle nose pliers. Damn,
Come on.
He needs it. I got
Give
you,
it to
bro.
him, baby.
I already got the cigarette, bro.
Come on, man.
Give it to him.
You guys just about to green.
Guide me.
You don't even gotta put your lips up to it. It's so small.
Damn.
Oh, he's looking buff. Getting all over. Get a little circle.
Go.
Come on, Collier. Join in, Collier.
Who
Damn, Coleman.
Hey, it's all felt Max.
Dude, Coleman's struggling right now. Max got his ass good.
Good shit, Coleman.
Dude, I opened it up all the way on accident. I'll try to fix it this time. I think I fixed it. I turned the color down just a little bit and I turned the brightness up. And it looks way better, I think.
Oh, yeah. It does.
You need to get like them nose plugs and shit.
Bro, you guys can get fucked if you do that.
Hey, let me pour it out. I'll pour a good amount.
No, look, I promise I'm not gonna fuck you. I promise. Well, maybe a little bit, but.
No. Shh, 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 shh.
Oh my god! You're gonna get...
They're drunk.
And the impound lot?
Just one hard.
Give them one good
Do
one.
one that you mean and then no more.
Wait, where do we think this
Right
is?
there.
Here, tap
It's right here, so do it like right
Yeah,
here.
it's right here.
Yeah.
Do it right here.
Wait, folks.
Ash,
Yeah, fix it, fix it, fix it. He's going for a house fire.
No, you're making a house fire.
You can't manage this. The boss scandalous from here to Los Angeles. Ruckus tossing the random shit, but can you get with the nigga toss on manuscript? Man, you shit all up in your pants when the cannon click. Man, I flip on niggas for no apparent reason. Squeezing shots at you heathens to stop you from breathing. Call the cops cause he's bleeding. I think he needs some CPR. CPR.
Chug, chug. How you feel? He got him. He got him. Someone go get him. How you feel? How you feel? What the fuck? Nah, it was like... What the Hey! What the fuck did you got on, bro?
Dog him.
Yo, Coleman. She claims she's drinking that whole bottle, and the ones in the fridge. The Smirnoff Ice.
Oh, I gotta go look at them.
Hold up.
You got it. You got it.
Chug it. I'm gonna chug this one, and then we'll go look.
Yeah, like she'll just bitch at you all the time. I don't know. I don't do
I gotta catch up,
I
motherfucker.
have a very,
You ready?
very chill girl.
Yeah, ready?
Hand over to me.
I'm
Ready?
no, I
Ready?
Really?
never.
Hey, Ivan. Are you a virgin still?
Pop that pussy, nigga.
Texting guys.
10! 10 down. 5 more I'm at. I drank 15 beers. That's like 2 minutes.
That's what makes me so bad.
Wait a second.
I ate before I came here.
Cause I need like 1 second.
Like, I gotta eat. I shouldn't be doing
Joe!
it really bad.
Hey.
I'm like, I like
What's
this.
it?
So give it up smooth. Ain't no telling when I'm down for a jack move. When it's crime, bring it like Charles Manson. 7 is the tool.
Hey!
Motherfucking fool. Daily. Yo, weekly, monthly.
That was buttery.
Oh.
Sorry, I didn't.
It's gonna be on the tape. It's fine.
Okay.
Not a lot of people will watch that. Wow, this guy's a real man. Dude, that was fucking big. What the hell?
What?
He was a little bit more shot.
This shit's almost gonna.
No, you gotta get halfway. Like I said, halfway.
No pop on the rug. Hold on. I'm fucking done with this shit. I'm done with this shit, dude. Drunkard acid drop, bud. Caveman Ollie.
Hey!
It's in the living room now.
No, it was on the camera. Did you get that burger picked up?
Right there.
Hey! One more try.
I told you. I told you. I called it.
Oh! There you go.
Inside we go with the skateboard. Go. What are you doing in my skate park, you fucking idiots? Hey, eat a dick. It's hard to skate in the house.
Oh, yeah. It's so tight. It is. What are you going
I'm
for?
racing on the TV.
Hand on the ground. Yep. Oh, at the ramp side.
Nah.
What did you say? Bro, W angle.
Right here. We can try to manual it. But grind it.
Yeah.
We're all in.
Oh, hell no, Brad.
No, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, my back.
Yeah, fine.
Hey.
There's like a.
Good? Yeah.
That shit's badass, dude.
Shit, the tape's running out. You gotta hit it right here. Mmm.
Oh.
Alright, hit something else.
Yo, like the fucking Ollie North Prima. I put holes in the ground, I swear.